We remember in the round table. The circle is activated and consciousness takes on a shared form. 12 positions surround the center and sustain a living geometry. Here, a natural order is established, an alliance of perception that opens a new state of consciousness. The archetypes of being arrange themselves to recalibrate the origin of the philosopher's stone, the one that aligns mind, heart, and action to manifest heaven on earth. At the center of the circle, Excalibur defines the axis and marks the north. During this cycle, its form expresses itself as Phosphorus. That is the substance we are organizing. The 15th particle of the stone appears as a light bearer, ready to be observed and adjusted from the different points of view offered by the wheel of the 12. Today we share the point of view of balance. The Throne of Libra opens the 7th position and directs the gaze toward the calcium-phosphorus ratio in bones. From this seat, phosphorus reveals itself as the element that maintains an exact 2:1 balance with calcium to form hydroxyapatite, as the atom that supports perfect equilibrium for proper bone mineralization. What self-ignited, mineralized, transmitted energy, protected genetic memory, shown in phosphorescence, and regulated enzymes, now finds the right proportion in skeletal mineral balance. Phosphorus in bones exists as phosphate ions that crystallize with calcium. Every imbalance causes osteoporosis or improper calcification. Each proportion respects the balance that sustains a healthy skeletal structure. Phosphorus inhabits the boundary between mineral sufficiency and insufficiency, the balance requiring constant hormonal regulation, the precise ratio separating bone health from metabolic disease. When observed from the Throne of Libra, the light bearer finds harmony with complementary calcium, ionic reciprocity, and the ability to sustain tension between mineralization and demineralization. Self-ignition becomes the bone scale. One's own light organizes as harmony of cations and anions. Excalibur calibrates the particle when mind, emotion, and body align along the same axis of mineral balance. A candle is lit in front of you as a reflection of the center. Its flame reveals the state of the inner light bearer and accompanies the fine adjustment of the particle. By holding your gaze, balance is established and the 7th face of the philosopher's stone is polished. Phosphorus becomes balanced. The wheel continues its conscious turning. Thus, today we perform this task. Mind focus. Hold a single affirmation internally. I am balancing calcium and phosphorus in the right proportion. Allow the mind to remain serene and harmonious. Emotion, candle cleansing. Place a lit candle in front of you. Observe it in silence for at least 3 full breaths. Let the flame dissolve emotions associated with mineral imbalance, excess causing calcification, deficiency causing weakness, disruption of bone proportion. Emotion is brought into order through balance. Action, integration in the body. Pour a glass of water. Hold the glass in your hands and say, I am balanced phosphorus. Repeat 3 times with awareness. Drink the water slowly, integrating mineral balance into your body. Alchemical seal. I am the new state of consciousness. Avra Kehdabra. I create as I speak.